Gemini can now generate full music tracks up to 3 minutes long, complete with lyrics, AI cover art, and control over the song structure. Here is how to use it. Go to gemini.google.com, click Tools at the bottom, and select Create Music. Before you type your prompt, check the model selection at the bottom of the text box. If it says fast, you will only get 30 seconds. Click it and switch to thinking. That unlocks longer tracks up to 3 minutes long. Now write your prompt. Be specific. You can ask for a full song structure, intro, verses, chorus, and bridge. Lyria. 3 Pro understands musical composition, so it uses these cues to build the track properly. I will type, compose a full 3-minute cinematic indie folk song titled The First Light Over the Harbor. Structure it with a 20-second atmospheric acoustic intro, 2 narrative verses about a sleepy coastal town waking up in the fog, a soaring and anthemic chorus that feels like the sun breaking through the clouds, an emotive bridge featuring a solo cello, and a gentle fading outro. Use warm acoustic guitar, light brush percussion, and a grand piano. The mood should be nostalgic and hopeful. Notice how detailed that is. The more context you provide, the better the output. You can even upload an image or video for visual context, and Gemini will use it to match the overall vibe of your music. Once you're ready, hit generate and give it a moment to compose. When the track is ready, hit play to listen. The full track can run up to 3 minutes. To save it, click the download icon and choose MP4 if you want the video with the cover art, or MP3 for just the audio. It is perfect for presentations, projects, or social media. Tap share to copy a link and send it to anyone directly. That is Lyria. 3 Pro in Gemini. Switch the model to thinking, describe your track and song structure, and you will get a full 3-minute song with lyrics and cover art. This is available on Google AI Pro, Ultra, and eligible workspace plans. You must be 18 or older. Hit like and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.